Opened in 1877, University Hall is the only remaining original campus building at Purdue University. It included classrooms, the first campus library, and a chapel, along with the president's office. A mid-20th century renovation repurposed as a classroom and office building, leaving little student space and none of its original grandeur. This renovation of University Hall will include nods to its historic architecture and its purpose as an active, student-centered building. Join us for a look at what's to come. The original two-story opening that housed the University Hall Library will be reimagined as a vibrant, student-centered hub that offers a nod to the past and a comfortable, contemporary, and inviting student center. It will include individual and group gathering spaces, as well as small group rooms for collaboration, all in a welcoming and brightly lit space. 4 of the building's 8 classrooms anchor the 4 corners of the first floor. The second-floor Academy overlook provides additional study space with an open interior view of the main floor and exterior views of the Memorial Mall and Loeb Fountain. Private seminar and huddle rooms throughout University Hall provide spaces for small group meetings of students, staff, and faculty, and quiet study groups. Another 4 classrooms on this floor will host classes from a wide variety of areas of study, bringing students from across campus to University Hall. Virtually every Boilermaker takes classes in the College of Liberal Arts, and several thousand pursue a primary or degree-plus major. University Hall will create a central gathering place and vibrant community for those students to explore their academic passions and collaborate with their peers. Throughout University Hall, seating areas, study corners, huddle rooms, and conference rooms will provide contemporary, purposeful areas for study, work, and community building for students, faculty, and staff, as it recaptures University Hall's place as a vibrant gathering space for campus collaboration. The ground floor will house all College of Liberal Arts student services, including its undergraduate academic advising, undergraduate recruitment, career advancement, study abroad, and diversity and inclusion initiatives. After business hours, students will be able to access public spaces of University Hall for study and group meetings. As the most iconic building at Purdue, University Hall is on countless brochures, websites, and is included in all campus tours. Today, those tours walk by the building, yet never enter. That's about to change. Once the renovation is complete, University Hall will re-emerge as a crown jewel of campus, a new front door for the College of Liberal Arts, and a point of pride for everyone who loves Purdue.